Welcome to DIY Salvation, YouTube's home to the resolution of the mind, also known as TROM, a self-studied, self-applied method to resolve your mental and spiritual condition. All materials on this channel and our website, bettertrom.com, are 100% free. If you've never heard of TROM before, it's all right. Most people haven't. Though TROM has been around for nearly 45 years, we are the first to take the trouble to explain the subject so that nearly anyone can understand and practice TROM. Don't be intimidated by the amount of videos on this channel. Get started right away with a 15-minute video on TROM Level 1, an exercise that shows you how to orient yourself to the present and maintain your mental balance. This will take most people 1 to 3 days of practice before moving on to TROM Level 2, which is just as easy to learn. On this level, you'll begin to separate your past from your present by comparing objects and people from the past to objects in the present. TROM Level 2, though a simple exercise, will take you longer to complete, and the rewards are well worth your time. And while you practice TROM Level 2 on a regular basis, you'll have plenty of time to learn the rest of the subject. If you are an audio learner, you can gain a base understanding from my podcast lectures. If you prefer to read, you can download our updated version of the original TROM manual from our site, bettertrom.com. And for the most immersive learning experience, read the manual online, which has the text interspersed with videos and lectures for my YouTube channel. And as if that weren't enough, we also have dating and relationship advice, commentaries, reviews, and even a couple videos in Spanish. If you've read Diametics by O. Ron Hubbard, don't miss our video, Returning in Diametics versus Time-Breaking in TROM, to learn the fundamental differences between the two subjects.
Level 1 exercises ground you in the present, so you're prepared to face the past. TROM Level 2 exercises reduce the impact of people and objects from your past in your mind by having you compare them to objects in the present. TROM Level 3 has you confront the past and the present simultaneously, so you can release the effect of past events from your psyche. TROM Levels 4 and 5 are precision exercises aimed at zeroing in on times you overwhelmed others and they overwhelmed you, and the conflicts that occurred in between those overwhelms. You don't need to be any sort of genius to do these exercises. You don't have to go to years of college to learn all the psychological theories mankind has dreamt up. You need not hire a therapist or see a minister. With the data on this channel that we offer you, you have the power to resolve your own mind and spiritual condition, working by yourself, paying no one and answering to no one, and working in secret if you like. We ask nothing in return for this. Our reward is the satisfaction of you knowing what we know now. We are DIY Salvation. Don't just use your mind, resolve it.